Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. You may believe that cyber attacks mostly happen to big corporations, and your business is safe. Well, think again. The truth is, small and medium-sized businesses are just as vulnerable. In fact, almost 2/3 of them have suffered at least one cyber attack over the past year, and 87% have reported 2 successful attacks. The most common types are malware, malicious software, and ransomware, where you must pay a ransom fee to get your data back. More people working on their own devices and the sheer number of devices used gives cybercriminals more entry points to exploit. Never panic. You can protect your business by taking a few simple steps. Use a password manager for stronger random passwords. Keep software up to date, train your staff, back up your data, and use antivirus software. If that feels like a lot of work, we can keep you safe. Get in touch. That's your tech update. More next week.